This table is squeaky. Like, listen. So today I am going to show you how to get rid of the squeaks. And the first thing we need to do is go under the table. Okay, so let's look at how this is put together. Screw. So first of all, let's wiggle it and see where we think the noise is coming from. Is it coming from up here or is it coming from down here? I definitely feel like it's coming mostly from over here. So what we're going to do is we are going to take these screws out. We're going to put some wood glue in here, and then we're going to screw the screws back in, and we'll see if that stops the table from squeaking. So I'm going to go ahead and take the screws out and put some glue in there, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do actually in fixing this squeak is figure out what screws I need to take out, because there are a lot of screws in here. So I'm just going to kind of go like that. I don't hear anything. I'm going to go like this. Hold on to it. Okay, I hear something. Now I'm going to wiggle this. That doesn't seem to do anything. Let's see over here. That doesn't do anything. Ooh, that one does. That'll need to be undone. Let's see. Ooh. Maybe just this one we'll try to undo. Oh, I don't really want to take the whole table apart, but if I have to, I will. It's a really cute table. So I'll be back after I've glued some things. Hey, so I could not get the screws out and I didn't feel like trying any harder. So I'm doing something different. I am just putting glue in all of the joints that seem to be crickling and crackling. And yes, I put enough on there for a small army, but I wanted to make sure that it got into all of the creases where it might be squeaking. So I'm going to let this dry, turn it right side up, and I will let you know the final result. The table is now back in use. Let's check the final results. Not bad. I moved it around a bunch. It does not squeak. So it looks like we fixed the squeaky table. If you enjoy videos like this, not cat videos, but videos like what you just watched, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every single time I post. I post videos about wigs, furniture redesign, home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. So my little kitty needs to be fed, and if you subscribe, you'll help feed a kitty. So that'd be great. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. You have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to